How do you find your TikTok watch history? Sometimes we want to go back to a video we've seen in the past. Maybe you want to follow that TikTok creator, save the video, or even remove the video from your watch history. It's really easy, but don't forget to save this video first so you can go back to the steps if you need them. Just click on the thumbs up button and it will appear on your liked videos playlist here on YouTube. Here's how to find your activity log and watch history on TikTok. First, go into your profile. That's in the bottom right hand corner here. Then click on the 3 lines hamburger icon on the top right hand corner. Now we can click on settings and privacy at the bottom here. Scroll down to activity center, and when you click on that, you can see your account history, mentions, search history, comments history, and at the top here, watch history. Here are all the videos that I have watched. If you want to remove one of these videos from your watch history, just long press on the video and choose the delete option on the bottom. Selected watch history deleted. Boom! It's gone. Congratulations. If this video is helping, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me out. And right here are all the TikTok tips you might need if the TikTok app is banned or shuts down.